Click on the link below to get price. The Wharfedale Linton speakers, paired with their bespoke stands, present a striking combination of performance and aesthetic appeal for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. The walnut finish adds a touch of sophistication, seamlessly integrating into any decor. Upon unboxing, the craftsmanship is immediately evident, the wood grain is beautifully finished, and the attention to detail is commendable. Setting up the Lintons was straightforward, with the stands providing a sturdy platform that elevates the speakers to ear level. This positioning enhances the soundstage, allowing for a more immersive listening experience. The speakers themselves are relatively large, but their elegant design ensures they don't dominate a room visually. When it comes to sound quality, the Linton speakers truly shine. They deliver a rich, warm sound that is particularly satisfying for those who enjoy genres like jazz or classical music. The bass response is deep and full-bodied without being overpowering, allowing for a balanced audio experience. Mid-range frequencies are well articulated, making vocals clear and engaging. Highs are crisp and detailed, providing a sense of clarity that enables the listener to pick out subtle nuances in recordings. The Lintons perform well across a variety of musical styles, from rock to acoustic, maintaining their composure even at higher volumes. They fill a room effortlessly, making them ideal for both intimate listening sessions and larger gatherings. In terms of compatibility, the Wharfedale Lintons work well with a wide range of amplifiers, providing flexibility for users who may want to experiment with different setups. Overall, the Wharfedale Linton speakers with stands are a fantastic investment for anyone seeking quality audio in a visually appealing package. They deliver exceptional sound performance while elevating the overall aesthetic of any space, making them an excellent choice for both modern and traditional interiors.